In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a share link from a Google Drive file. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, sharing with friends, or providing easy access to important documents, mastering this simple process is incredibly useful. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser, any browser will do, and type Google Drive into the search bar. You'll typically see a series of results, but the one we're interested in is the link with drive.google.com in its URL. Select this link to head over to Google Drive, where you're likely already logged in with your Google account. If not, the service will prompt you to sign in with your credentials. Once you've accessed your Google Drive, find the file or folder you wish to share. It may be located anywhere in your drive, depending on how you have organized your files. If you're unsure of where to find it, the search functionality within Google Drive is quite effective for locating specific items quickly. Now, when you've located the file, right-click on it. Alternatively, you can select the file and then head to the toolbar at the top, where you'll see a share icon depicted as a person with a plus sign. Click on either choice to open the sharing options. When the sharing menu opens, you'll want to focus on obtaining the shareable link. Look for the section titled Copy Link and give it a click. This action places the direct link to your file onto your clipboard, making it ready to be shared. But hold on, there might be another setting to consider. By default, the general access setting is often set to restricted. This means only specific people you invite can access it. To share the file with a broader audience, you'll want to change this setting. Click on it and choose Anyone with the link. This change ensures anyone with the link can view or interact with the file, depending on your permission settings. After adjusting these settings, don't forget to click Done to save your changes. This step confirms that all of your modifications are set, and your link is ready to be shared with whomever you choose. Finally, with your link now on the clipboard, you can paste it into an email, a direct message, or even a document. Just right-click where you want the link to appear and select Paste, or use the handy keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to generate and share a link from Google Drive. With just a few clicks, you've made your documents easily accessible. Feel free to re-watch this video whenever you need a quick refresher. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.